Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to learn how to describe the verse. You say, what is it? This is a pen. It is green color and it is a gel pen. In this way, we will learn other words and we will learn how to describe them. Let's get started. Okay, this boy is thinking how to describe the word. Okay. Now, let's see how you can describe it. What is it? Can you guess? You know. Yes, this is a rose, right? So you can say, this is a rose. This is a rose, right? After that, you can talk about the color. You can talk about the color. For example, it is a flower, then it is red. So you have to talk about at first what is it. So here it is written, this is a rose. And what is it actually? It is a flower. It is an instrument. It is a transport. It is a food or others. So it is a flower. Right? It is a flower. You see, it is a flower. Then this is a rose. Then it is red. That means it is the color. What is the color of it? So it is red. It is red. Now let's see the next one. What is it? If I ask you, what is it? Right? What is it? Yes. Can you guess what is it? You see here. Let's see. This is a dog. Yes. This is a dog. At first, you have to introduce the picture. What is it? Or any object, what is it? This is a dog. It is an animal, right? It's not a food. It's an animal. So this is a dog. It is an animal. Then it is brown. That means the dog's color is brown. So it is brown. So how you can say this again? So this is a dog. This is a dog. It is an animal. It is an animal and it is brown. So the color is brown. So you can practice again. This is a dog. It is an animal. It is brown. Now let's see the next one. Can you guess what is it? Yes. It's a tomato. So this is a tomato, right? This is a tomato. What is it actually? It is a vegetable. This is a tomato. It is a vegetable. And it is round and red. What is the shape, right? It is round, right? Round. And the color is red. So how can you say it? This is a tomato. It is a vegetable. So you can tell this in a short way. For example, this is a tomato or it's a tomato. It's the vegetable. It's round and red. It's round and red. It's round and red. Now let's see the next one. Yes, what is it? Yes, you know it, right? This is a bus. This is a bus. And it is a transport. It is a transport. What if I ask you, what is it? It's not food. It's not animal. It is a transport. It is a transport. This is a bus. It is a transport. একটা যানবাহন in বাংলাতে তোমরা বলতে পারবে। And then you see it has 4 big wheels. So where are the wheels? You can see here. It has 4 big wheels. So this is a bus. This is a bus. It is a transport. It is a transport and it has 4 big wheels, right? Bus has 4 big wheels. চারটি চাকা আছে বাসে, right? It has 4 big wheels. So you can practice again. This is a bus. It's a transport. That means it is a transport. It has 4 big wheels. So this is a bus. It is a transport. It has 4 big wheels. Next one. What is it? Can you guess what is it? This is a scooter, right? This is a scooter. This is a scooter. It has 2 small wheels. It has 2 small wheels, right? It has 2 small wheels. দুটি চাকা দেখা যাচ্ছে এখানে, right? It has 2 small wheels. So this is a scooter. It has 2 small wheels. It has 2 small wheels. And if you talk about the color, it has blue and yellow color. This color is yellow, right? So yellow and its color is blue color. So this is a scooter. This is a scooter. It has 2 small wheels. It has 2 small wheels. Now let's see the next one. Yes. What is it? Yes, this is a banana. This is a banana, right? This is a banana and it is a fruit. This is a banana. It is a fruit and it is long and yellow. It is long and yellow, right? This is a banana. It is a fruit. It is long and yellow, right? It's not a short one. It is long and yellow. Again, you can practice. This is a banana. It is a fruit. It is long and yellow. This is a banana. It is a fruit. It is long and yellow. Okay. Yes. Can you guess what is it? Let's see, right? This is a water lily, our national flower, right? This is a water lily. This is a water lily. What is it? This is a water lily. Then it is a flower. It's not an animal. It's not food. It's not transport. It's not, right? What is it? It is a flower. It's a flower. It's a flower. And the next one is, it is white. What's the color? It is white. So this is a water lily. It is a flower and it is white. We just practice again. This is a water lily. It is a flower. It is white. Yes, what is it? Can you guess? Do you have at your home? What is it? Yes, this is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. What is it? This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit, right? You like rabbit, isn't it? Do you like rabbit? Okay, next one. It is an animal. It is an animal. Or you can say it's an animal. This is a rabbit. It's an animal. It's not transport. It's not flower. It's not fruit. What is it? It's an animal. It's an animal. And this is a rabbit. So this is a rabbit. It is an animal, or you can say it's an animal. And then it is white. What is the color? It is white. So cute, right? It is white. So this is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. It is an animal and it is white. It is white color. Now let's practice again. This is a rabbit. It's an animal. It's white. In a long way, you can say this is a rabbit. It is an animal. It is white. Now what is it? Wow, so cute picture, right? You always ride on it, right? In our country. Okay. This is a rickshaw. What is it? This is a rickshaw. This is a rickshaw. Okay, let's see. Then it has 3 wheels. How many wheels? Of it, it has 3 wheels. It has 3 wheels. Tinta chaka ache rickshaw, right? It has 3 wheels. It has 3 wheels. So this is a rickshaw. It has 3 wheels. This is a rickshaw and it has 3 wheels. Now, most probably it will be the last picture. You see, do you like this? What is it? Yes, this is a jackfruit, our national fruit, right? This is the jackfruit and it's a fruit. It's a fruit. This is a jackfruit and it's a fruit. It's a fruit. And it is big, right? It's not small. It's one of the biggest fruits, right? So it is big. So this is a jackfruit. It is a fruit and it is big. It is big. Again, you can practice. This is a jackfruit. It is a fruit. It's not animal. It's not transport, right? So it is a fruit and it is big. So if you like today's lesson, you please like, share and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.